In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the Agoda customer service team. To begin, open your Agoda app and tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. From here, scroll down until you find the Help Center option and tap on it. This will take you to the Contact Us page. At the very top of this page, you will see the option Contact Agoda Customer Service. Tap on it, and you will be connected to the Agoda chatbot. If you want to speak with a real customer service representative, tap inside the text box once, and a set of options will appear. Choose the option labeled Contact Agoda. If you currently have an active booking on your account, you will then be able to connect with a live support agent. However, if you do not have an active booking, you may see a message saying that you cannot access live chat. This is because Agoda prioritizes customers with active booking issues first. If you are experiencing problems creating a booking and cannot proceed, you can still reach out to Agoda via email. Upon searching, I found this email address from where you can connect with the official Agoda customer service team, explain your issue in detail. Additionally, if you had a booking in the past and no longer have it active, but need to report a problem such as being overcharged or an issue with a hotel, you can reach out to this email address to get assistance from the Agoda team. These are the different ways you can reach Agoda's customer service team, either through live chat when you have an active booking or by contacting them directly via email for other issues.